Hi, everyone, and welcome to English Phonics Mastery, a series for English learners of all ages. Whether you're an adult beginner, teen student, or ESL speaker looking to improve your American English pronunciation, this channel is for you. We focus on clear phonics, vocabulary, and real-life examples. This content is not made for children under 13. In today's episode, Part 1, we'll cover letters A through F with phonetic sounds, example words, and practice sentences. Let's get started with letter A.
Let's begin with letter A. The most common sound is the short A, as in apple. Open your mouth wide and drop your jaw. A. A. Example word: apple, a healthy fruit. Sentence: I eat an apple for breakfast. Repeat after me. Apple, apple. More practice words: cat, hat, bag. This sound is very common in American English. Practice it to sound more natural.
Now, letter A can also make the long sound A, as in cake. Smile and glide from E to I. A. Example word: ape, a large primate. Sentence: the ape swings in the trees. Repeat: ape, A. More practice: name, name, day, day, rain, rain. Knowing both sounds helps with reading and speaking. You're doing great. Keep going. Moving to letter B. The sound is B. Press your lips together and release with voice. B, B. Example word: book, something we read to learn. Sentence: I read a book every evening. Repeat: book, book. Practice words: ball, ball, bus, bus, baby, baby. This voiced sound is essential for clear communication. B is usually consistent. Example: bike, a two-wheel vehicle. Sentence: I ride my bike to work. Repeat: bike, bike. More practice: big, big, bird, bird, blue.
Letter C has two main sounds. First, hard K, like cat. Tongue back, release air. K, K. Example: cat, a common pet. Sentence: the cat sleeps on the sofa. Repeat: cat, cat. Practice: cup, cup, car, car, cold, cold. This is the most common C sound. Soft C as S, like city. Teeth together, air through. S, S. Example: city, a large urban area. Sentence: I live in a big city. Repeat: city, city. Practice: scent, circle, nice. Mastering both sounds is key for correct spelling and pronunciation.
Letter D. Sound D. Tongue to roof of mouth, vibrate and release. D, D. Example: dog, man's best friend. Sentence: the dog barks at strangers. Repeat: dog, dog. Practice: door, door, day, day, desk, desk. This sound is common in daily English. D is usually D, like in dance. Example, dance, moving to music. Sentence, we dance at parties. Repeat, dance, dance. Practice, drink, drink. Drive, drive. Dream, dream. Use these in conversations to sound more confident.
Letter E. Short sound E, like elephant. Mouth open, tongue low. E, e. Example, elephant, largest land animal. Sentence, the elephant has a long trunk. Repeat, elephant, L, E, F, N, T. Practice, egg, egg. Bed, bed. Red, red. Very useful sound.
Long E, like eat. Smile wide. E, E. Example, eat, to have food. Sentence, I eat dinner at 7 p.m. Repeat, eat, eat. Practice, see, see. Tree, tree. Key, key. Alternate between short and long E for better reading. Letter F. Sound F. Top teeth on bottom lip. Blow air. Th, th. Example, fish. Swims in water. Sentence, I like to eat fish. Repeat, fish, fish. Practice, fan, fan. Fun, fun. Food, food. Clear and common sound. F is consistent. Example, friend, someone you trust. Sentence, my friend speaks English well. Repeat, friend, friend. Practice, family, family. Fast, fast. 5, 5. You're finishing strong. Excellent work on letters A to F. Practice these sounds daily. Next episode, G to L. Subscribe for more ESL phonics lessons. Like if this helped, and comment your favorite word. See you soon.